Sini print media, electronic media ni takut songno bala hambaya paru. Dini ang mo chikon sa press meet ringmani main reason nangka thangnai salnai romboi social media o ani kaisa speech ni chikon sa video clippings no cut khlai jamatia ro exist se khlai ni no copy tongano viral ngai and definitely mo full video nai je a cut je jamatia exist khlai ni samano no we definitely chini borok ni bising jara jamatia sinai jotono thamsa epano jara jamatia sinai rung bisingo onekei abo hard tangna khao khas hazak kana boro je bike lai jamatia existing ya kintu angapil khlainai ania speech abu full video naina ningthum ang muitu tongo kokpin tripurani channel adino specifically coverage jugo birchandra monuni chakhikok kamibo horendro riang tipramothani horoksa leader ni leadership aro kaisa pandango apandawo speech rina thangdani ang mokogno sana naika je chung riang jamatia debborma tripura koloi rupini chung jotono ma kaisani ok kaisani besase chung juda juda kuno community ya chung dofa kaisani borokse debborma bai debborma kok fair thang kamalpur ni debborma bai khoini debborma sodor south ni debborma bai khoini debborma ni kok fair riang bai debborma ni fair jamatia bai riang ni fair haifano chung buma kaisani besase chung chini kokno written form bo poriyai khnawi kok samani bagi se chini kok fero mo kokno bujokna thangdani itihas ni history ni kichu kichu evidence ang je porimani a evidence no muitungi anga dino saka ang je history porika kaisa boy porika T.H. Lewis The Hill Tracts of Chittagong and the Dwellers Therein bo bini boyo kut khlaisio nagebo politics of haibo chini bosung ni bising chini dofa ni bisingo I am more closer to the jamatia people ang mia horobo abo wan sugi nei kai politics of hai nogendro jamatia bai khub closely samung khlai kai tabubo chini thei thangjanai borong ganang nogendro jamatia ni bihik bachai ka thangtongko you can ask her how closely we used to work Shabda Kumar Jamatia ang ek shomoy jokhon NCT khaibro he was the leader who was with me tarpore kabangma Jamatia sinairum bisingo ang belai close tabu Bonkim Jamatia Sanjoy Jamatia even Patal Konna ang jokhon phai oro 2003 o election o batayo Patal Konna also worked with me ang onek jagano Kungsugui Khakrakhe Kok Masau Dokhin Pramod Nagar Kaisa Pulling Buto Patal Konna ni leadership by Chung CPM no Bongni rigging no Mechenei a Pulling Buto lead Klaima Kait whereas that particular Pulling Boot was the decision making in my winning in that election so Siniahia Tabubo Dormo Klainerong Bisingo Machang Jamatia, Purno Jamatia, Believers Church ni pastor, kabangma borok baino, oro Nafrai Jamatia, kabangma borok baino an association tongai. So it is my liking towards the Jamatia senior ni bagi anja liking. Almost a barbar huito ba speech ripuru abu paina, but my intention not of je kunani YouTube speech khnaiman did I speak against the Jamatia anki Jamatia rom bagi kuna hamia kok saka nothing Sung politics khaine ro जों कुनु लीडर नो कुनु इशू जों आबनो नासलेवै सेजावै जों कक मास आंगुर देबरमा CPM नि लीडर मंत्री he is a friend of my father on many occasions I have spoken against him किंतु आकग नि अर्थ तो आबया जान अगुर देबरमान बिरुद्धे कक साका मानैनो पर्सनल लाइफ अगुर देबरमा बायां मा बुलाइने आबया that was a political protest bini ideology bini nahar mungno birud khlaisa masawa ang Jitendra Chaudhary biruddhe koksaw does it mean that joto Tripura sinarung biruddang issue kaisao issue no jodi samarthon khaya tole samarthon maki bubagra bai chen closely work khlainer group phaika jokhon NRC ni issue phaika citizenship amendment bill ni kok phaika bubagra bai chen tebu closing kha politically bubagra gi congress khai jang ancholik dol khlai but we came together for our survival, for our existence. Chini existence dibagai CAB no jang birud khanya nang jang kaisa platform of now we are in the same political party. Ang kabangma YouTube channel rogo chini dofan borog no prashno singman nugo. Tangi onimes da borma bubagrani bumungku. Takuro ang sanan muzungo. Bubagra kokungkha kok borok bai. Nung Madhya Pradesh bubagrahin saga I am sure 95-99% Borno Bubagra cogni meaning bujigla. So who's that Bubagra? Bubagra Pradut Kishore Deborma. What is wrong in that? Miyang Bubagran Masaka. Maharaj, is there anything wrong if I quote your name? Maharaj answered, there is nothing wrong. Karnaro Bubagra, bolte Bubagra Bir Bikram Kishore Deborma Bungman. Bubagra Kirit Bikram Deborma Bungman. Bubagra Birendra Kishurungan. So, beser rutuk layai, seng khoroksa no attack claimani, seng angheno omon theke seng haksali matong. Chini nahar mung abuya. Chini nahar mung na nangnai seng thangai dongnani. Ebong thansa no sungno kathang doni manoro. Chini hak gamaka, political rights gamaka. Seng ADC salok tong ki doro tam power tong. Buijeng no nai tangi norong rimanya. Sung to agib sao before we got this power. Age po sung chable ADC ba ingya hai. Abon bagi more power ni demand kok phika, direct funding ni kok phika, inner line permit ni kok phika. Angen city klaya ni demand so autonomous state ni kok phika. Autonomous no lai thange IPF trok tipralen demand phika. Tipralen ni slaipa no tebu crack demand Bubagran leadership of the greater tipralen phika. So what's wrong? Ek somoy ang tipralen sangi de sukno nai ang motong khorksai. But today I am telling, sung statehood sara chini sakbai thangbai salok mani statehood man yake sung komori thane, and I am fully convinced tini greater tipralen demand sara greater tipralen implementation sara changorote darogi tongmali. So chini naharmu greater tipralen tu bunani Choba Bo Bini Boyo Kut Klaisio 1869 Sepuila Riang Sarnim Sijago Bini Age Kunu Riang Grey. Similarly, 1869 Ni Sakango Noatia Sarnim Bukuri Uchui Bukuri Abo same buko T.H. Lewis Bini Engkau bosi guys, T.H. Lewin. Take a boy and nuka 1872 was a Chini Zara Zomatia Sinero Puila Zomatia Sarnim Sio E.T. Dalton. Binika is a descriptive ethnology of Bengal of Boyobo Jamatia Bubrun Simi Sija Mokogno bosi guys. Ang sana na yaje historian rok boy sine rok joto toithono srai ke zaman no siu ne anga bu claim khainya ni ani speech ni mul boktobyo abuya ani speech ni mul spirit the main spirit was chini sengja jomatia deborma riang sine rok jeng buma kaisani busase mokogno bujogna thangtani se o historian rungni quote phayo hai ang chongi nei khamo tangi viral lengkhanai jengno jeng thamsa ni tabuk je movement khlaimani bobagrani leadership mo belai phatarsa rong bagi borok kirima singchang jago moni sekang bobagrani leadership ni sekango kuno political party by lead khlaijagi chin borok ek jaga thanga jemon CPM o 19 ta jidi kaibo tongchini history kintu abo party baise chini borok thansangi kintu statehood nangnai jeng thansakai chini hano jeng sason ma khlainai chini chief minister mangnai chini police minister mangnai omo hai democratic movement large movement bobagrani sekang kebo khlainai gari hai mo phatarsa rong bagi belai kirima singcha I'm sure oro phatarsa jongni kuno indon tongino chukli tongino omo ahirok dini viral khlaijagi tong jeng as a dofa jeng united ma tongnai jamatyani ko kangtangi tubu abonek borok ang nukha YouTube ro proshno khai implementation chara changorote darogi tongmali so chini naharmu greater tipralen tubunani choba khlaine sini mul samung nai jeng kok chigon no tei bono bo sejalai nothing wrong ang jodi sejai tongka I must stop it tei khoroksa jodi sejai tongka they must stop it সাধারণ একটা কখনো আর নাইদি ভিডিও নাইদি হোয়াট ওয়াজ মাই স্পিড এবং ও কক আহিক্লাই পিরেই ওয়ানসাপাং থং ফাতার সারপাং থং বা जोंनो केबेंनाय फानगोनां बररफां थं जमातिया हदानि बररफ बाय हनिमेज देफरमानो बरफ सालरिमाया because Jamatiya is part of my community. I am part of the Jamatiya community. We all are united. We are one and the same. जोंनो हाय कक सावै बार बरफ divide and policy थंगै जोंनो जासो बछर रुल खायगा आं I will appeal and request all my brothers and sisters and my community people chini 19 hodani jotto borok nang appeal khlainai buibai जों पे बागजांनानि उचित एवं नरक जतन सो my background is computer science tabu Tata consultancy services Wipro Infosys Brainware software Panasoft Corporation kabangma software industries ani chalairo senior position o samungtangnai kabangma borok ebong bo Facebook account theke ani mo video no edit like cut khlai mono viral khlaijaka I am also tracking ebong track khlai nukha kuno na kuno shohor Bangalore theke omo achai khai ang koinai abo ang hinanai as a this particular man or girl or lady has done this buini chukli bai jodi changkya bahai khlai tongkai we must stop it ar fake account dengman chungte mo mono cheri manai ne mo fake account bisingti de khlai tongkai umti rongno chen old video are ani a boktobyo jodi kuno bhul tongkai chaya tongkai afruno azorao ab ADC election ni kuno patta kari ko ang INPT United Party os tongko ang tipramot house habia koi abono heke viral khai tini dofani bisingo oroi boroi je phunangna nainani omo chin bagina phami amai जों jara tiprasaro जों 19 hodani borro United khaine nuchi जों thamsa tongreche जों noro darugui tongmanne bubagrani bungnang ma khumani more reason ka bubagrano teibo popular khlai bubagrano chini ha kototni borgo teibo sinnan he is the king he is the bubagra chini hani bagrano malik bono teibo kotor khlai borong bisingo siniran bagi sahi mas kintu ang jodi bono produt kishor ni kok sakaile produt babu ro kok sakaile yes norgano criticize thaime tomle kabangma borok chini maharaj sinei bubagra produt kishor hinjai produt babu nairu botong hai susungomono आंसो प्रोटेस्ट खालायो जुदि बुबाग्रान बुमुं प्रद्युत किशोर देबबर्मा हिंजाक तिंखाय बिनि उग्लगो चिनी बुबाग्रा हिमानक खोनानाय हय आगे बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर I am very careful about all this and bubagra chini leader bubagra chini thinang bono respect dinani consciously angono somoy pop laga and people who are criticizing me brothers stop abo chini naharmung na nujit the greater tipra sangabo achieve mat so ang kobognai moje tini viral misunderstanding tongani my intention and my speech was never aiming at any community to hurt them. Jamatia, Rian, Deborma, Kolo, European, all of us, we are one and the same. Some Buma Kaishani Busase, more spirit the some Solama Kaini, Asunani.